Right, so another strength workout for you lot. So again, this is a flaming torch. What we're going to do today is explain absolutely everything, and then we'll just show you the demos of everything as well. So we'll see how that style of video goes, and you guys can let us know if you prefer that to either yesterday or the day before, or workout 12 and 11, whichever one it may be for you. So we have squats, dips, and mountain climbers across the board. Okay, so you just have different options. So Sizzlers, you've got chair squats, chair dips, and mountain climbers. Flaming, you have chair squats with a tempo of 3 seconds down, 0 second pause, 3 seconds up, with chair dips and twisting mountain climbers. And Torch guys, you have air squats that are 3 seconds down, 3 seconds up without a pause in the middle. You have straight-legged chair dips, and you also have twisting mountain climbers. That's your section A. Then your section B then moves into a lunge of sorts, press ups, and some form of plank. So Sizzlers, you have forward lunges, kneeling press ups, and a standard plank. Flaming, you have Bulgarian split squats with a 2 second down, 2 second up tempo without pause in the middle, with normal press ups, and then an up down plank. And then Torch, you have, again, Bulgarian split squats, 2 seconds down, 2 seconds up. You have a weighted backpack push-up. Okay, so we'll show you how to do that. And you also have your up-down planks. Okay. You then have two options. You have 10 minutes of stretching for option one, or you have a little conditioning option, which is 30, basically completing 3 rounds of these 3 exercises as quickly as possible. So you have 30 jumping jacks, 30 burpees, 30 seconds sprint, 3 times round. So in terms of the demos, we'll get onto those. So again, let's make us a little bit bigger. So your section A. So Sizzlers, you have chair squats. Okay, so find yourself a chair. Make sure your bum's going to land on it when you're sitting down. You're sitting down, then standing up. Okay, so that'll be 2, 3. You're then moving into chair dips. So your hands will then go onto your chair or sofa. You'll be controlling the bum down towards the ground and back up. Then you have a standard plank, mountain climber, sorry, not plank. You have mountain climber, so press up position, running those legs in and out, and you're going for time. So just trying to keep the best pace possible that you can control. Flamings, you also have your chair squats, but you are taking 3 seconds to go down. So it'll be 3, 2, and 1. So by the time that 1 second comes, you won't be touching down, and then 3 seconds on the way back up. You will then also have your chair dips, but you're just increasing the reps. Okay, so still keep your legs bent. You're going between 20 and 25. And then you have twisting mountain climbers. So same press up position, but your knee now goes towards the opposite elbow. And again, keep up the best pace possible. You're working for 45 seconds. Torch, your squats are air squats, so no chair involved. It's 3 seconds down. All right, and then 3 seconds up for your 15 reps. You then have straight-legged chair dips. Okay, so the legs are straight, control down, big press up. And then you have your twisting mountain climbers just for a whole minute rather than 45 seconds compared to flaming. All right, so you'll do your set rounds of those, then you'll move on to section B.
So with section B, again, as we said, a couple of different variations on the lunges. So for the Sizzlers, you're going to go for a forward lunge. So you will literally step forward, drop the back knee down towards the floor, you'll step back, and then you can either switch legs, or you can just go with the same leg for the amount of reps, and then you'll switch. So on that one, you've got 10 on each leg, 20 total, depending on how you want to do that one. If you are a flaming or a torch, you've got your tempoed Bulgarian split squats. So back leg is going up on your chair, your sofa, or anything that you've got to slightly elevate it. You've either got 2 seconds down, 2 seconds up, or you've got 3 seconds down if you're torched, and 3 seconds back up. So just make sure, again, you're dropping that back knee towards the floor. Just keep the heel on the floor on that front leg. Your second exercise, so is your press up variation. So you've got your kneeling press ups if you are a Sizzler. So again, as we've done in quite a few of the programs now, on the knees, get your chest down as close to the floor as you can. Try and push it a little bit more now. So try and get as close to the floor as you can. Take it a little bit slower on the way down, explode on the way up. If you are going flaming, normal push-up, so on your feet, knees are coming off the floor, you're going to press down, That's it, press back up, chest down to the floor. And if you are torched and if you have a backpack, then all you're gonna do is just fill it up with things that you've got, so tins, bottles of water, just anything that you can make it a little bit heavier, just so you can try and push your push-ups a little bit more. So if you've been doing the push-ups now across the few programs and they've been getting a little bit easier, you'll put your backpack on your back and then you'll just press as you normally would. Obviously the backpack's there to make it harder because it's going to be heavier. All right, so that's going to be your weighted backpack push-ups. Whoa, tongue twister. All right, and then the last one for this section is either just a standard plank for Sizzlers, so down on your elbows. That's it. So forearms down on the floor, elbows underneath the shoulders. Squeeze your bum. Make sure you're squeezing your core nice and tight. Then if you are going for flaming or torch, it's the same exercise, just a difference in time. You're going to start in your low plank, so elbows down. And then you're going to replace your elbow with your hand to come up. And then you'll replace the hand with the elbow to go back down. All right, so try and change arms each time you go up, or you can do it that you do half the amount of time on one arm, half the amount of time on the other. Okay, so those are your A and B sections for your Sizzler, flaming and your torch. And if you're going to go for the option 2, the little conditioning bit at the end, as we said, you've got 3 rounds as quick as you can. So you've got 30 jumping jacks. That's it, as Jake's showing you there. So just stay nice and light on the toes. So 30 of those, you've got 30 burpees. So hands down, jump the feet out behind you, stand back up. If you do need a slightly easier version on the burpees, you can go chair. So hands on the chair, so you've got less to go. And then you'll literally go for a 30-second sprint on the spot. That's it. And then you'll repeat 3 rounds of each as quick as you can. Write your time down, and then you can go do it again another time, see how quick you can go. All good? All right, enjoy. End.